Alright guys, this is the last videos that I'm going to show you. We're going to construct perpendicular through a point on the line. So first, you're going to place the center at point R. You're going to use any radius, which means if you want, you can extend the line and use a little bit longer radius. So I'm going to use the first one. In the blue area, I'm going to draw an arc. I'm going to slowly move to the other side and draw another one. So make sure these two distances are the same. You can draw a complete circle and then erase the top and bottom. Just leave the arc with on the line. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to call this AB. Now I'm gonna place the center at A and make sure that the radius that you pick here it's more than halfway. So you can't really pick the first one. You have to pick at least the third, fourth. I'm gonna pick the third one. It's definitely more than half, right? You can try. So now you're going to do is draw an arc above the length segment. And with the same radius, using the same radius, which it's the third one that I'm using, you go to the other side and you draw the other arc. And now with the intersection points, you connect it with point R. And that's how you construct a perpendicular line. And then part 2 is how do you construct a perpendicular line through a point not on the line. So if the point is not on the line, you will do the same by placing the center of the compass at point N. And again, you pick any hole you want, usually within the first few. So I'm gonna pick the third one. I'm going to make sure I draw 2 arcs that intercept the line. Alright, you see my arc is actually not connecting the line. So what I can do is I can extend the line, which means I don't have to change it. I can just extend this line and I can still use it. And now what you're going to do is make sure I'm going to label this A and B just like what we did. And now you're going to place the center at point A and make sure that the hole that you pick is halfway through the line AB, line segment AB. So I'm going to pick the 5th one. You can do different different holes as long as halfway, more than halfway of AB. And now I'm going to connect this point with N. Always draw arrows so we know it's a line.